was successful as well.
Sisima, isinubo na lang. Fading to his right. Tough shot.
Tough jumper.
Find Guarino underneath.
Allen Vergara, dyan talaga siya maaasahan.
Tatayong atake. Gets them.
Bagay yung athleticism mo sa loob and yung production.
Look at that pass to the two-handed. Itatawid. Decides to attack. Ragandang back to Geronimo. Floats it up and in. Plus product. Mula sa Pioneer. Look at that find. And Jase connecting with Di Mayuga. Para kay Rodrin. Ball is loose. Picked up by Tita. Atake. And finishes. Couldn't find the range. Opponent looking ahead. Finds Pronda for the easy bucket.
He's been struggling from the field early in this game, and that's the way to get your...
Tita. Jab step. Jumper will fall.
Para sa kanyang team.
Kick out. Guarino. Gets the 3 to 4.
Itong malaki yun, especially if you're playing against Olivares College.
Canelo. Ating second half. Shot clock is down to 7. Ginto on the move. Gets it to rattle.
Basa na lang ng players yun. And that's good na nakita nila na yun yung bagay sa sitwasyon na yun.
Goes to Anaba. Way downtown. Kingsley. Swinging pointer. Canelo looking to answer. Does so para sa Uzi. Now Manuel. Spins off his defender. Blocked by Anaba. Now Pronda. Zipping it inside. Reyes scores. Opone. Gets it to Pronda. Wide open. And knocks it down. Points here para kay J.R. Pronda. Pero sabi mo, in timing ng mga baskets na yan. But the Dolphins, Mike Kong comes up with a leather ahead to Panelo for the easy finish.
Initiate ng offense for you.
Katayong will answer para sa PCU. The second one will rattle out. Look at that. Pronda. Katayong on the move. Blocked by Jase. Vergara ahead to Rodel Renon. He's trying to milk as much clock and gets the bucket.
That might